Okay, so resuming, here's our turkey. Walking down here, here's our cow, and we've got 2 other cows as well. This one here is scheduled to go, sadly, to harvest beginning of December, so then we'll be left with 2 cows. And then coming over here, this is our field. So we rotate the cows through here. We also had pigs. We only have pigs for 6 months out of the year. We currently don't have any pigs. This is our compost pile. This is our electric fencing. So you can see that the electric fencing is within a chain link fence. So I'll just walk over and show you that. That is a pig house down there for when we had pigs, but we don't have them anymore. And over there you can see the chain link fence that goes around the entire property. So the entire property has the electric fence as well as a physical fence. And it goes down as far as you can see down into the woods there a little bit. So there's an area in the woods where we could turn the donkeys out where there's very limited grass, but they'd have the option to roll them around. It would be shaded in the summer. It's also protected from the wind in the winter. And then the expectation is that if they're okay in stalls, which I guess they are because I saw a picture of them in a stall on your Facebook site, that they would come inside at night, just like our goats do, and go out in the field during the day. And you can see, it's tough to see down there. You zoom in a little bit, but that is where our goats get turned out this week during the day. We also rotate our goats. They have the electric netting, and we rotate them every week to a new area in the field. So that is our house. This is our property. Our neighbors. Like I said, it goes way down into the woods there. And that's it. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully I didn't make you dizzy. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or come on out for a visit. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.